In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up Claude Code in VS Code. First, make sure Visual Studio Code is open on your computer. We'll begin by adding the Claude Code extension. Look to the left side of the window for the extensions view. You can open it by clicking the square-shaped icon in the activity bar or by using the search box that appears at the top of the extensions panel. In that search box, type Claude Code, exactly as you would expect, and wait a moment for the results to populate. When you see Claude Code in the list, click it to open the extension's details page. This page will show you what the extension does and any notes from the publisher. To add it to VS Code, click Install. Give it a moment to download and finish installing. You'll know it's ready when the button changes and you no longer see the progress indicator. After installation completes, look toward the upper right corner of VS Code for a yellow icon that the extension adds. Click that yellow icon to open the extension's quick actions. In the menu that appears, choose Anthropic Console, then click Open. This will bring up the console interface so you can connect the extension to its services. You may see a loading screen as the console initializes. That's normal. Just wait for it to finish loading. It can take a few moments the first time as it prepares everything in the background. Once the interface is ready, you'll be prompted to authorize access. Click Authorize to allow the extension to connect with the Claude service so it can function properly inside VS Code. Next, you'll arrive at a screen where you need to subscribe. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the subscription process associated with Claude Code. This step is required to enable the extension's features, such as interacting with the model from within your editor. Take your time, review the details presented, and confirm when you're ready. When the subscription is complete, return to VS Code and the console will reflect your active status. That's it. You installed Claude Code from the VS Code Marketplace, opened the Anthropic Console from the yellow icon in the upper right, waited for it to load, authorized access, and completed the subscription so everything is ready to use. From here, you can start exploring the extensions tools directly in your editor and streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching.